Hey, what's up, everyone? Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting seasons in professional drifting history, the E2007 D1 Grand Prix Series. If you're a fan of sideways action, tire smoke, and intense rivalries, stick around as we break down the key moments from this incredible season. So, for those who don't know, the D1 Grand Prix is Japan's premier professional drifting series. It's where the best drivers push their machines to the absolute limit, sliding through corners at insane speeds, all while being judged on style, angle, and precision. The 2007 season was packed with drama, and today, we're looking at the highlights. The 2007 D1 Grand Prix featured a thrilling 8-round championship that took place across Japan, starting at Irwindale Speedway in the US before heading back to legendary tracks like Ebisu, Fuji, and Suzuka. These venues set the stage for an epic battle among the top drifters in the world. This season was all about consistency, skill, and high-pressure battles. Many familiar names returned to the grid, including Nobushige Kumakubo, who eventually claimed the championship title. Kumakubo, driving his aggressive team Orange Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 90, showcased his mastery of AWD drifting, proving that you don't need an FR car to dominate. One of the most unforgettable moments was the fierce rivalry between Kumakubo and Ken Nomura. Nomuken, known for his explosive driving style in the ER34 Skyline, put up a great fight throughout the season. And who could forget the intense battles at Ebisu Circuit, a track famous for its unpredictable elevation changes and insane jump drift entries. The 2007 season was a turning point for D1 GP. It not only brought more international exposure to the sport, but also showed the world that AWD cars could compete at the highest level. This season helped pave the way for the modern era of professional drifting, influencing series like Formula Drift and Drift Masters. So there you have it, an action-packed season full of unforgettable moments. If you love drifting content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of motorsports. Let me know in the comments, who's your favorite D1 GP driver of all time? Until next time, keep it sideways.